Hi guys, how are you all?
Oh, good. Hi.
Hi. Ritu, how are you? Samhit, how are you? Meera, how are you?
I'm good. Good. How are you?
Good, ma. How is school going? What are they teaching in school?
They're teaching like arrays.
Arrays. Oh, so on multiplication,
Yeah.
easy or there
And
are
the book fair is starting in school.
you're excited about that?
Yeah, I got a lot of things from the
Started
book
for
fair.
us.
Oh, so you buy books in the book fair?
And
Well, they kind of sell a lot of stationery and cool stationery, so I got a lot of stationery from there.
You already got. That's
at
nice.
my school,
Uh-huh.
thing that I really like, there was two mini scented perfumes.
So you bought it?
No,
Yeah, almost like
my friend's gonna buy it for me.
Wow, that's exciting. I wish I were their friend.
almost everything I get it's scented.
So, good or bad?
It can be both.
Agree. Akshara, how are you, ma?
I'm good.
I have an Akshara in the third grade. I was correcting I had conducted a test for the 3A book for them. When the name Akshara, when I was grading, meaning I wanted to see how they scored. It was automatically scored. So I remembered you only, meaning still now I put the face of this Akshara there for some reason. Just now I realized, oh my God, that Akshara is different. Just now I was going through their work, so that time I saw. Hi, Vihan, how are you?
Good.
Did you get the books, Vihan?
Oh,
Not yet.
not yet.
Not yet. Okay, I think I don't know. I don't remember the day. It had a date when it will arrive. It is, I think, 2 or 3 days later. You'll get it. Yuvati,
Okay.
how are you, ma? Okay, today I didn't plan for any gimkit or anything, because I thought, okay, we'll take off one day for all that and I'll complete exponents, meaning rather than work on exponents for you is what I thought. And you know what? I created a test. Again, I'm saying I created a new test for you guys. I feel the test is too challenging. Anyway, I assigned it as homework. But I'm going to remove the two challenging questions. Okay, I don't want to give you that big of a challenge, but yeah. So I just meaning I had part A, part B, part C. Part A on shapes related to the first part of the book. Part B related to the multiplication that we studied, units, digit, all this stuff, whatever we studied in the second unit, multiplication. Let me finish my third unit exponent. I did not add for the test because I know that I have not taught you guys. So I didn't mean to include that. But if I give you the test after this class, right, I may include one or two questions from exponents as well. But you know what? Part D, I added a fourth part that included some of the Math Olympiad questions. Style. You see that same style. Having said that, I'm not going to give you points on that part D. That is only for your reference. Part A, B, C will be graded. Make sense? That is my plan. Okay. But the part D is for those of you who are interested and would like to solve more. Make sense? Okay. Hi Neil. How are you, Lakshanya? How are you? I hope you are feeling better, Neil.
I don't really feel good,
Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay. Did you go to school today?
but I did.
Oh, you didn't?
I did.
You did. Okay.
Speaking of that, Yuvati already saw me, so.
What is it?
Your
Both
buddy
of
already
us go to the same school and we go home together. So he was
Nice.
saying that I know that
Oh, that's nice. You go to school together and come back together? Oh, that's
No,
nice.
well,
we
not
have
exactly in the morning. In
Okay.
the evening we come back together.
Oh, that's so nice. You have a friend
it's
to go
actually
and come back.
afternoon.
That's nice. Okay. How many of you know exponents, guys? Today I took a break with all this mental math, all this stuff, because it's taking a ton of time in class. So how about this? I want to discuss something else though, but let's see. Let me finish what needs to be done first. Okay, every time we go for the other thing and I lose my time with class because in third they completed their book. I am going to almost complete their book. Here one whole unit is pending. What is that, Meera? Sorry, Meera, your hand was raised. I did not listen to you. What was that?
So for the challenge questions on the quiz, can it be like optional?
Yeah, optional means if I say optional, none of you will attend, right? I want to see how many of you are able to do, right?
Yeah.
So let me not say optional, but we will not give points towards the test. Make sense?
Okay.
All questions are mandatory. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, Vihan, I'm for you. I'm not that very bothered. You see what I mean, Vihan?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you're totally new. So you will get started from here on. Okay, from today you should be able to pick it up very well. Okay, Vihan?
Yeah.
Last week itself you were great. So let's see. How about this? How many of you know what is this? Yes, Meera, tell me. You can tell
It's
me this.
4.
It's 4. Lakshanya, you want to tell me? Your hand was raised, I saw. Hey, Neil, I didn't remember. I didn't forget your set of questions. It is there with me. Next week, the mental math will be on that. Okay, Neil? You sent a list of 10 to 20 questions to me, remember?
Set of questions that I send it with on notes.
Yeah. Okay, I can edit it and give it in the class, but that is for next week, okay?
Yeah, I just made those questions just for. I just do some math classes for somebody else.
I know, that's so nice. I know to whom you conduct your math classes. It's so fun, right, to teach other adults. True, and the adult has to be patient with you too. Wow.
She lives all the way in India.
I know he's listening to you, and I'm so happy about it. Okay, let's go on.
That homework was just exponents because we're focusing on exponents.
Nice. You have to teach more exponents to him after this class. Okay. Let me know how your class goes. Okay, 2 power of 2 is what? 4. 3 power of 2 is what? Yes, Yuvati. Lakshanya, raise your hand. 3 power of 2 is what, Yuvati?
6.
Lakshanya, help us. 3 power of 2 is what?
3 to the power of 2 is 9.
9. Yuvati, you made a minor mess up. Why? I'll tell you. 3 power of 2. Let's consider these, first of all. This is called the base. This is called the exponent. Okay. Now, what does this mean? Base repeats exponent number of times. I really like this topic to be taught in class. This is one of the classes I like because the topic is so good. Base repeats exponent number of times, meaning, see, this 3 repeats how many times? 2 times.
2.
Okay. After that, I multiply. Now, Yuvati, you got it. Go ahead and tell me what is 4 square.
For that thing, I kind of like got confused, like with the 2 on top, like
Absolutely no
instead of, like,
problem. Everybody gets confused. What is 4 square?
16.
Good job. Now let me ask you this. I have a number 3. Okay. Now what is this, Vihan? You tell me, Vihan. Exponent and base, tell me. T power of?
4.
Good job. Very nice. Okay. How about who's going to do this quickly and tell me? Let me see. Arnav, tell me.
So
You raise your hand immediately. You have to say them.
Wait, never mind. I need to think about it.
It's easy, right? See, think. Okay. Who wants to try before I say? Yes, Neil. How did you say?
I know what 7 by the power of 3 is. It's 343 because 7 times 7 we know is 49, and 49 times 7. If you don't know that, you may know what 50 times 7 is, and since that 50 is 1 less than 49, you could just subtract 7 from 50 times 7, and then you'll get 49 times 7.
Exactly. That's what I wanted to say. So here, 7 is repeated 3 times, right? So the easiest way is, Vihan, you might be new to this, but the others do know about it. Now, 49 times 7. Instead of doing 49 times 7 is very hard to do. You know what we do in this class? We do 50 times 7. 50 times I multiply 7. Okay, meaning I am sorry. 50 times I keep on adding 7 and then subtract a 7 to get 49 times 7. Make sense, Vihan?
Yeah.
That one is easy. 50 times 7 is very easy. You know what? Any number that ends with 0, you can multiply it easily by multiplying just the digits and adding the 0. So, Vihan, what is 40 times 20?
It's 800.
Good, nice. How about 4000 divided by 50? In division, you subtract the zeros, but you divide the digits. You divide the numbers that are making sense and then subtract the zeros. Go ahead.
It's Is it
I'll help you. You're not left in the left to answer. Okay, I'll also help you. What did you do? Tell me.
So first I did 40 divided by 5, which is 8,
Mm-hmm.
and then I subtracted 1 0 from 2 zeros.
So you end up with
80.
good. Very nice. Rutu, you want to tell me this, Rutu? Divided by 25. Hard one, right? Rutu, I want you to try this one.
Okay.
The
25.
others can answer in
200.
chat. Nobody is saying that you should not.
25 divided by 50 is 2.
50 divided by 25 is 2. Good job, Mira. Good job, Neil. Good job, Lakshanya. Yes, it's 2 after that. How many zeros?
3.
3 zeros. Good job. Samhit, good job, but you're answering slowly. How about this? I'm going to give you 2 power of 5 times 2 power of 2. What is this, guys? Who can tell me? Yes, Yuvati, do you know?
Yeah.
What is it?
So first for like 2 power of 5, I have to do 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which would be 2 times 2 is 4, and then 4 times 2 is 8, and then 8 times 2 is 16, and 16 times 2 is 32. And then we multiplied that with 4.
Okay, rather than that, right, can I put it as exponents itself? How many 2's are in here? Now, how many times
5.
I multiply? 2 power of? Okay, 2 power of?
7.
7. See the pattern here. There's some pattern emerging. 2 power of 3 times 2 power of 4 is what? 2, 2, 2. Again, 2, 2, 2, 2. How many 2's are there?
7.
There is some pattern really coming up. 3 times 2. Let's say I multiply it with 3 times 1. What happens? 3, 3, 3. That is 3 power of 3. So what is the pattern?
You're
I
adding the exponents.
want to explain the pattern here. Vihan, did you see the pattern?
Yeah.
What is it?
Like you add the exponents, so
That's right. If you figure out, you won't forget, guys. Whenever you figure out, you won't forget. So now, whenever the base is the same, you have different exponents, right? What is the answer to this? 2 power of? Yes, Neil. You are muting and telling. How will everybody hear? You want to unmute and say? Lakshanya, good job. What, Neil? What is the answer? 2 power of? What is going on, Neil? Okay, see, you did not unmute, but I heard you telling 18. That's fine. Let's move on. Okay. Now, how about this? 5 power of something times 5 power of 2 is 5 power of 18. What should go in the box? You guys are going to answer in chat so that now I can understand who all did not understand. What will come there? I am just waiting for your answers. Yuvati, Vihan, Samhit, Meera, everybody got it. Neil, Arnav, good job, guys. Akshara, Ritu, I'm waiting. Havama, no. Akshara, when the base is the same, exponents get added, not multiplied. Exponents get added. You see? I have to add these two, I'll get the exponent here. So, Ritu, what was the answer? I didn't get an answer from you, Ma, Ritu.
I'm still thinking.
You're still thinking. Okay. What is that, Arnav? Me? What does it mean? Oh, I see. I got it. Okay. 5 power of something times 5 power of 2 will be equal to 5 power of 18. What did we discuss earlier? 3 power of 2 times 3 power... Vihan, I know that you know, I'm not going to ask you now. 3 power of 3 times 3... I saw your answer, that is correct. 3 power of 3 times 3 power of 2 is 3 power of 5, not 6. Do you get it? 3 power of 3 times 3 power of 2 is 3 power of 5.
Because
Akshara,
3
did you
plus
get
2
that?
is 5.
Did you catch that? Akshara, did you understand that? So now what should come in the box?
16.
That was a question for Akshara.
Oh.
I corrected everybody who sent in chat. Now, Ritu, are you following Ritu?
Yes.
Okay, how about this, Ritu? This is a question for you. Others can answer in chat. Others can answer in chat. Abhi, you joined late. You should be able to cope. Let's see. Go ahead.
Priya,
Yes, ma.
do you have to add 3 and 2 to get
Exactly. When the bases are the same, when all are multiplied, then you can add the exponents. Just see the pattern and figure out. Now, yes, so what has to come there? Correct, Neil, Meera, Samhit, Yuvati, Vihan. You all got it, guys. Go ahead. Yeah, today, you know what? If I'm able to complete a lot of it, right, I want to go to the some textbooks for you to see whether you're able to solve word problems, because we are at the end of completion of 4A. I don't know how is your word problem solving ability. A big good job. Ritu and Akshara, I'm really waiting on your answers. If you don't send, I'm not going to proceed. I'm also going to... Akshara, good. Ritu, how about you? Ritu, how about you? Ritu, what is the answer, ma? Oh, yeah, you have it. Okay, good job, Ritu. Now let's go ahead. Lakshanya, no problem. I saw that. I only admitted you in. No problem at all. It happens to me too. Okay, how about this? 2 power of 3. Okay, please listen. 2 power of 3 is 8.
8.
What is 2 power of 2?
4.
4. Okay. Now 3 power of, let's say, you 2 power of 10 is 1024. What is 2 power of 9?
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yes, please go quickly and come back. How do you think you can do it? What operation are you going to do, Samhit?
1024 divided by 2.
Good job. See, when you come down, you are going to divide by 2. Now, if I ask you 2 power of 11, what will you do from here? Yuvati, go ahead. You wanted to say, right?
So we double 1024.
Multiply.
2048.
Go up, you multiply by 2. Good job. Okay. Now let's see. 3 power of 4 is 81. Okay. Now, I'm going to ask a tricky question. Who's going to come up with this? What is If I give you 3 power of 4 is 81, what is 3 power of 8? Yes, Vihan.
162.
She's not asking me.
You think it's 162? Is that right? Yuvati, what is your answer? 3 power of 4 is 81. I'm asking for 3 power of 8. Vihan, rethink and tell me. Lakshanya, go ahead.
Is it 81 divided by 4?
We are going up, right? Exponent is going up. Why division is coming? Exponent goes for a higher number, then we go on multiplying, right?
Then multiplied by 4?
Multiply by with just 4. 4 is the exponent 4 is becoming 8. So what happens here? See, 3 power of 4 is 3, 3, 3, 3. 3 power of 8 is 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So what is happening here? Neil,
you're
can
adding-
you tell?
What? So if we know, so
Three
since that
Uh,
3 divided by power of 4 is 81, and since we know that this is 8 is a double of 4, that makes it think that we're more, and we know that 4 plus 4 is 8. We can just multiply 81 times 81 and use some kind of multiplication strategy.
Good job. So 3 power of 4 is 81, right? How do you get 3 power of 8? 3 power of 4 times 3 power of 4, right? 4 plus 4 is 8. So now know this. So it is 81 times 81 is 3 power of 8. Any questions here? Any questions? Okay. Now let's say I'm going to give you 7 square is 41. What is 7 power of 4, guys? In chat, guys, I want all of your answers, please. What is 7 power of 4? We are going to go to the tricky part now. Let's see. Okay. I'm just waiting for all your answers, guys. Go ahead and tell me. Okay, for the mid test, right, I will add some exponent problem as well. Exponent and prime composites, I have not added any problem, I feel. That is right, Ma Lakshanya. Why don't you calculate and tell me? It's all practice, right?
Priya, am I correct?
Are you correct? Good job, Arnav. Ritu, did you send the answer?
Yes.
Not really, right, Ma Ritu? Akshara correct, Vihan correct, Neil correct. But why don't you compute and tell Neil?
Okay, I did it.
Ritu, good job. So,
Miss Priya, the thing is I actually forgot to send it, so that's why you didn't see my answer.
oh, okay, Ma. So that was 49 times 49. See, 7 square. Meera, did you send? Meera, did you send? Oh, Meera got off. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay. 7 square times 7 square, right? So that gives you 49 times 49. Okay. Abhi, let's move. Abhi, next question comes for you. Now, have I discussed order of operations with you guys? Have I discussed order of operations?
No.
Okay. Whenever you
I
have
think we
something.
did. We did the PEMDAS thing.
Yeah, that's what I thought, because please excuse my dear Anshali, I have discussed with you guys. If I give you problems like this, 4 divide by 2 times 5, what will you do, guys?
2
Which
times
option?
5 first. Because my great aunt Sally, like whatever thing, said 2 times 5 equals 10, and then 10 divided by 4, which is probably like in the
That is
2.5.
incorrect. That is incorrect.
4
If
divided by
given like this, which operation, why should you do it first? Which
Maybe
operation?
we should do it like this. 4 divided by 2, but
4 divided by 2 should be done first. Why? Please excuse
because
my
if you
dear
start with
Aunt Sally,
multiplication,
right?
not make it a true question, not really like a true question, but there's an answer if you do 2 times 5 divided by 4. But just, you know.
That is true, but there is a rule behind it, Neil. In the sense, see, multiplication and division carry same weightage. They are like your two eyes. Meera, did you have an answer?
Yeah, I know how to explain it.
Go ahead.
So first is parentheses, and we don't have like any parentheses to solve. Next is exponents, and we don't have any exponents to solve. But then it's multiplication or division from left to right. So you do 4 divided by 2 is 2, and then times 5, which is 10.
So multiplication and division carry the same weightage. They are like your two eyes. Addition and subtraction are like your two eyes. They carry the same weightage. One is not bigger than the other. So when you have both, you go from left to right. From the left side, what is that you have first? You will do it first. 2, then times 5 is a 10. However, in PEMDAS, the exponent carries the most weightage than all of this. First parenthesis and then the exponent. Till date, you have never seen exponents. Okay. So in this case, what you should do first? Who can tell me? Lakshanya. In this case, what should be done first?
Exponents.
Exponent should be done first. So it will be a 25. Rewrite the rest of it. Times 4 minus 2. Then multiplication. Because in PEMDAS, multiplication division carry more weightage than addition subtraction. Answer is 98. Let's see this one. How about this? I'm going to leave this to you guys. You're going to do and let me know just the answer. Let me see, guys. Quick.
Miss Priya, I need help.
Sure. Checking. Neil, I didn't get your answer on that. Arnav, I don't follow cricket, Arnav.
Oh.
But I'm glad you're following.
But I wrote my answer underneath. Math is fun.
Yeah. I saw that. That's not right. Yuvati, that's not right.
I didn't write anything yet.
Oh, okay. Meera, is that right, Meera? I didn't get that answer, Meera. Maybe I am wrong. I don't know.
I didn't send an answer yet. That was an answer for the previous
Previous
question.
one. Okay. Neil, do it. You know exponents. It's just application of exponents.
Oh.
Subtracted 3 by the power of 4 minus 4 by the power of 3.
You are going to think to yourself. We will discuss together, not now.
I said my answer.
Yes, Meera, I saw your answer correct. Samhit, that's not correct. Yuvati, that's not correct. Arnav, that's not Correct. What is it, Arnav? 161.5. I never taught you decimals, I felt.
I need help then.
Yeah, definitely.
I sent my answer.
Miss Priya,
Yep.
my answer correct.
No, Yuvati. Abhi, what is that? 3 remainder 1, no. Vihan, not really.
Miss Priya, is my answer correct?
Lakshanya, why? I did not see, ma.
I resend mine.
Akshara, not really. Neil, what is the answer, Neil? Samhit, where is the answer?
I'm so worried about it.
I just sent it.
Anyway.
Okay, Samhit, where is the answer? Neil, I'll tell you the answer.
Miss Priya, I needed help on this question.
Yeah. Samhit, where is the answer?
I sent it.
Oh, you sent it? Okay, just now you sent it. Yes.
Did I get mine correct this time?
Really, ma. Okay, I'm going to go over that. Okay, who got that correct? So one of you got it right, right? Who got it right? I thought
Me.
someone got it right. Yes, Meera got it right. Okay. So now, guys, so here 3 power of 4 is what? What is 3 power of 4?
81.
81.
What is 4 power of 3, Neil?
243.
4 power of 3 is
The
64.
question was for Neil. Arnav, honestly, I really want question answers to be given by if I pick, because I feel like, oh, somebody needs it, then I ask. That's it, nothing else. Okay. So Neil, what is 4 power of 3?
3 is 64.
64 divided by 2. Now, which operation will be carried out first, Akshara? Which operation here would be carried out first? 81 minus 64 divided by 2. PEMDAS.
64 divided by 2.
Good job. What is 64 divided by 2?
32.
32. Good job. 81 minus 32 is what? 49 is the answer. Abhi, did you get it?
Yeah.
Good to know. How about this? I'm going to give you this question and ask you, where should I place a parenthesis? For this answer to be right, where should I place a parenthesis? I can place a parenthesis somewhere in this equation and make sure the answer is 26. You can all answer in chat. Where should I place the parenthesis? Where should I place the parenthesis? Wait guys, I made a mistake here. I'm sorry.
Oh.
Made a mistake. I'm sorry. Yeah, go ahead and correct it.
Miss Priya,
Yes, ma.
did I get the right answer?
You're all very fast. Hold on. Yuvati, what is that, Yuvati? Vihan.
I didn't send my answer yet.
Vihan, what is that, Vihan? I didn't get you. Before 5, after 5, like that you can tell me, right, Vihan? Neil, where should I start the parenthesis and where should I end the parenthesis?
Am I correct?
I need the behind the 6. Oh, good job, Samhit. That's right. Yuvati,
sent
good
my-
job showing that to me. Meera, correct, ma. Abhi, correct. Lakshanya, correct. Neil, here. Okay, others. Arnav, did you understand? Did you send the answer?
I didn't answer yet. Now
Yeah.
I did.
See, I don't want you to be jamming the chat. Instead, I want your answer first. I would be happy to see an answer.
Now I put my answer.
Okay, good. Yes, that's better, Arnav.
Is that
Akshara.
correct? Miss Priya,
Yes, correct.
can I explain?
Ritu, yeah, go ahead, ma.
So first, you can like check a few of them which are together. Like first you can do the exponent, which would be 2 powered by 2, which is 4. And then if you do 5 minus the 4 times 6, that wouldn't be 26. That would be 24. Wait, no, that would be like, but then if we do like the 6 times 5 and then put a parenthesis there, that would be 30, and 30 minus 4 would be 26.
Good job. So, did you get it, Ritu? Here, where to insert the parenthesis to get answer 26? The thing is, 26 is a big number. 4 is here. If you subtract 5 minus 4 and put a parenthesis here, it's 1 times 6, you end up with a 6. We don't want that, right? So, we tried this. Now, 6 times 5 will be done for 30. 30 minus 4 is at 26. So, that is why you put the parenthesis around 6 and then 5. How about this, guys? I'll get you this one. Let's see this one. How about this? Okay, this is interesting. 5 times 2 minus 5 equal to 995. I have to insert parenthesis. Where will I insert parenthesis to make this true? That's a tricky question.
Hmm. Hmm.
Done, guys?
No.
Yeah, that's a tricky question, but you can do, guys. Not like you don't know.
Yeah.
Yes.
Is my answer correct?
Your answer is perfectly correct.
Is it correct? Wait, no. Okay.
Priya, can I
Abhi, one thing is correct. Starting of the parenthesis is correct. Ending of the parenthesis, I don't know. Can you give me more explanation?
Wait, what's the question again?
Where should I insert the parenthesis?
Oh,
Miss
Ritu,
Priya,
that may not be right, Ritu? Because 2 cube is 8. 8 times 5 is 40. 40 minus 5 is 5, not 995, correct? Think well and tell.
Quite correct.
Not correct.
Can you rewrite Samhit? Can you rewrite and send? This is possible, Lakshanya. Good job, Arnav. That's right.
Miss Priya, did I get it correct?
Not really. How
Uh,
come Yuvati? If it is 5 times 8, it's 40. 40 minus 5 is 40 minus 5 is 35, right?
yeah.
Then how can it be 995? How can your answer be right?
Wait, are we gonna have like, I think I have an idea of what we can do.
Not really. Yuvati, you have to work and send it to me. Abhi, how come you can insert the parenthesis at the start and at the end? It doesn't make any difference, right?
Yeah.
Then how can you put the parenthesis there? Vihan, what is your thought about this? Arnav, you want to explain? Your answer was
yeah.
Go ahead.
So, here's how you do it. So first, you see which one comes first from Well, no, wait.
This
So
is too huge a number, right? Start from there.
okay. So since I don't really know how to explain that.
Okay, no problem. Neil, what was the answer? Meera, go ahead, ma. What is your answer, Meera? First, let me check, Meera. Did you have a question, Meera?
No, I wanted to explain it.
Sure. Your answer is right, though. Go ahead.
So 5 times 2 is 10. So if you put 5 times 2 in brackets, and so 10 to the power of 3 is 1000, and then 1000 minus 5 is 995.
Make sense, guys?
Yeah.
Only when you have a big number power 3, you can go to 995. 10 power of 3 is a 1000. So that's the best way of getting this big of a number. Now let's move on. How about this? I don't know what is in the square, okay? But I have this and another square and then a 34. Now, the missing digits are 2 and a 3. Missing digits are 2 and a 3. You have to find out what is A, what is B. What stands for A, what stands for B. Send it in chat.
Is there gonna be a thing like between the phi and b?
Nothing is, Yuvati, we are not inserting parenthesis, ma. You're going to find out what is A and B. A and B, A is the base of, A is the base. Some number has to be there. That number square plus 5 power something will be equal to 34. What is A? What is B?
Is
Good
mine
job. Neil, that's correct, Neil.
is mine correct, Miss Priya? Is mine correct?
Is mine correct?
Arnav, that's correct. Akshara, that is correct. Akshara, check again.
I didn't understand the. I'm trying to solve.
Oh, I did it the wrong way.
Lakshanya 3, what is that? Yeah, Lakshanya, that is correct.
Am I correct?
Akshara correct. Wait, Amma, I'm checking. Samhit correct. Abhi, I didn't get yours. Abhi, where is your answer?
Still
Should I-
solving.
Huh?
I'm still solving.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. Ritu, how about you? Ritu, how about you? Ritu, I'm asking you what is A. You typed A to me. Neil, did you get it? Neil.
Oh yeah. I forgot to put my answer for A.
Yeah, please send it. Neil, what is going on with you? Samhit, what is going on with you? Vihan, good job, Vihan. I think you got it.
I see my answer.
Yes, ma, you will check. Abhi, I'm
I
waiting.
already sent in my answer.
Yes, I'm sorry, Neil. Yes, Neil. Meera, correct, ma. Ritu, the missing digits are 2 and 3. I have written it down, right? You have to replace either A should be 2 or A should be 3. That's all. Where did you get the 5? Ritu, you have to use between 2 and 3. Meera, correct, ma. Yuvati, correct. Ritu?
Yeah.
See, Ritu, you have to use the number, the digits between the digits 3 and 2 only. Abhi and Ritu, I'm waiting for your answers.
I sent my answer.
You sent ma? Okay. Ritu, can you check? Correct. Abhi, Akshara. See here, guys. If you put a 2, see, instead of A, you put a 2, what happens? Check. Check, let's see. This is 3. Okay. 2 square is 4. 5 cube is 125. Answer will be 129. Is it satisfying 34?
No.
No, right? That is when I change it and write 3 square. Instead of A, you put a 3 plus 5 square. Let's see whether this satisfies. 9 plus 25 is a 34. See? Now this one was a B. This one was a A, right? A was 3. B was 2. Abhi, Akshara and Ritu. Did you get it?
Yes.
Ritu, how about you? Okay, now I'm going to give you one more.
I
Let's
got
see. How about this? Something power 3 plus something power 3 is a 91. Find the missing bases. Find the missing bases. That's a tricky question, but you can try. I'm going to wait. It's going to take a little while for you. That's okay. Try. Let's try. See, if we don't do that, I'm able to do a lot of stuff in class. Good. In a way, I feel this is good. Waiting for your
I need
answer.
help.
I don't mind. You can try, guys. It is all, it's not like every time you get help. It's more like figuring out as well. It's not a hard one, meaning, yes, it is going to take a time, but it's not like a hard one. Good job, Neil. That is perfectly right. See, it is just going to take a little while. That's it. But this one is not a hard problem, but time taking one. If it is a hard problem, I'll tell you, hey, you have to think in a different way. No, this one is easy. Anyway, you have to pick out numbers that are less than 91. Arnav, I really want you to be very clear of what is A, what is B. Just like that, don't throw numbers. What is what, I need to know. Go ahead.
Now I get it.
Yes, go ahead. Yeah, let's see. Did you get it? Oh, that's nice, Arnav. Nice to see your numbers. Correct.
Oh, is mine correct?
Yes.
Oh, that makes sense.
Mira, did you? Okay, go ahead and tell me what is B. Afterwards, I'll give
I
you-
accidentally put the value of it instead of the number.
Mira, yes. Corrected then. Corrected, ma. B, are you able to find a B? Ritu, how are you?
I don't.
Okay, Abhi, I'll give you clues. Okay. You're going to think about numbers that are less than 91 because two numbers get added and become 91. But the two numbers that you choose are all cubes. Cubes in the sense, what are cubes? 8 is a cube. 2 cube is 8. 3 cube is what? 27. 4 cube is 64. So write down all the cubes. Which two numbers add up to 91? Check. Then replace A and B. Write down all the cubes. 2 cube is what? 3 cube is what? 4 cube is what? You have to sit and write. Think. 5 cube is what? 6 cube is what? 7 cube is what? Like that, you keep writing those. In such a way, you get numbers less than 91. Because two numbers are getting added to become 91 means the added number should be less than 91. See what you can replace instead of A and B. Good job, Ritu.
Miss Priya, is mine correct?
Yes, lady. You get it? Okay, guys. Abhi, did you understand? Vihan, did you write out the cubes? 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125. I don't even want this. So my answer should be within this. What two numbers add up to 91? What two numbers add up to 91?
Just to tell you, I don't need to write it in the paper. I can just keep it in my head because sometimes I watch videos like this.
Nice. 27 plus 64, right? 27 is 3 cube. Plus 64
Yes.
cube. That's all, guys. Abhi, did you get that? Okay. Now, how about this? If I ask you to find out if I ask you to tell me 5 square plus 5 square plus 5 square plus 5 square, what is the answer to this, guys?
Mute it too.
That's a tricky question. Samhit has something to say. Go ahead, Samhit.
The answer
Guess
is
you can do like 5 power of 8.
Oh my goodness. Is it 5 power of 8? Let's find out, guys.
I know what it is.
You know what it is? What it is?
Explain it.
Yeah, what it is, you tell me, ma.
So basically, we know that 5 square is 25. So, and there's 4 5 square. So you just need to do 25 times 4, which will be 100.
Good job. This is 100. Perfect.
that's what I was about to say.
Okay, wait. My problem is if I increase it, what happens? 5 power of 8 plus 5 power of 8 plus 5 power of 8 plus 5 power of 8. What is that? You are okay?
Then it's the same thing with 100. So it's 100 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 500.
Oh my goodness. How come you found out the 500? 5 power of
Because
8 is what?
like that's the answer.
What's the answer? How did you find out?
Because since 5 to the power of 8 was a 100, and since there was 5
5 power of 8 is not 100. Oh my gosh. Okay, Abhi has his hand raised. Go ahead.
So because 5 to the power of 8 is 100, and there are 5 5s, that 5 to the power of 8, then you would do 100 times 5, which equals 500.
Sorry to interrupt, but 5 power of 8 is why are you all saying it as 100? Can you
because
explain?
you said it was 100 down there.
Wait, is it 2000?
Oh my gosh, guys, wait. Oh my gosh, I got it. I got my own problem. See, here I said 5 power of 2 plus 5 power of 2. I never said 5 power of 2 times. You see, 5 power of 8 means what? 5 power of 2 times 5 power of 6 is 5 power of 8. Here, what we are just adding. Okay, and Meera explained it. Meaning, I didn't finish the problem. I want to go back. She said I can find out 5 square is 25, 25, 25, 25 added value. So 5 power of 8 is this. You cannot add like that. When the bases are multiplied, then you add. See, when I had given multiplication, then I can say this is 5 power of 8. But what I gave was addition. Did you guys get it? So this is not equal to 5 power of 8. Abhi, did you get it?
Yes.
Good. But think about it, guys. I'll give you a clue. Okay, I'm going to deal with all the problems. Okay, still I didn't finish this problem. There is another way to do this. Okay, I want to show you. How about this? 2 power of 3 plus. If I ask you for 2 power of 3 plus 2 power of 3, right? Let me say, you can always do 8 plus 8, 16. Okay, but how to do that efficiently? You know, there's something called distributive property. Last year we did go over this. Distributive property in mathematics. This is very powerful. Beyond what you think. Okay, when you have, see, these are pluses. when see the numbers are separated by pluses or minuses, in that case, you can see what is common. 2 power of 3 is present here. 2 power of 3 is present here. So I take that 2 power of 3 outside. It's like distributing ice cream to the members of a family, right? So I take the 2 power of 3 outside. Now I ask the question, 2 power of 3 times what is 2 power of 3? Times 1. And then I copy the plus. Then again I ask, 2 power of 3 times what is 2 power of 3? 1. Now this becomes 2 power of 3 times 2, which is 2 power of 4. Make sense?
Yeah.
Now let's see. How about I give you another problem? I did not finish this, guys. I really want you to understand and then do this. Distributive property is so much of a powerful tool. How about this? 4 square plus 4 power of 3 is what? What can I do about this? What is common between two? What is common between both?
What did you say
They're
again?
both 4s.
This is 4 squared, okay? And after the plus, I have 4 squared times 4. That is 4 power of 3, right? Now, what is common between these two? This is called a
They're
term.
both 4s.
They both have what?
They
What
both
is
have exponents.
huh?
They both have exponents.
There is a number that's common to both. This term and this term have something in
2?
common.
Oh, oh.
4.
4.
4.
4.
Something more. The biggest number that's common between both. 4.
8.
8.
16.
4 square is not 8. What is 4 square?
16.
16.
16.
So I can take that 4
16.
square. Whatever is common, I can take out. Now I ask the question, 4 square times what is 4 square? 1. Plus, now 4 square times what is 4 power 3? You tell me. 4. I took this 4 square out. So what remains here?
1?
1 remains. 4 power of 1 remains, right? So this is 4 square times 5. Okay, I think you didn't get it. Hold on. How about this? Now, let's say I have the numbers 6 plus 3. Okay. Now, this is a term. This is a term. Okay. As soon as you see this, you can always say answer is 9. What is this, auntie, wasting my time? No, there is some more efficient way to do this. You don't need to add 6 plus 3 equal to 9. I'll tell you. In this case, it's too simple. So you just keep on, you just add and tell me 9. But there is a very efficient way. This term, the 6 can be written as 3 times 2, correct? And we have a 3. Now, this is a term. This is a term. What's common between these two terms? What number is contained in both the terms? Yes, Samhit.
9 and 3.
Please tell me once more. What number is contained in both?
3.
3. When I take the 3 outside, I took it outside. What remains in this term?
Times 2.
2 remains. I copy the plus. I took this 3 out. So what remains? 3 times what is a 3?
1.
Yeah, it's like 1 times 3, right? 1 remains, correct. Now this becomes 3 times 3, which is 9. Any questions, guys? Okay, let's see again. Yes, Samhit, what is your question?
Isn't that kind of longer? Like,
Definitely, that's what I'm saying. Yes, that's what I wanted to see here. Yes, it is definitely longer for such a simple problem. You got it. This is too simple a problem. I don't want to use distributive
Or
property.
you could just do like a problem like 1496 minus 26 plus 453 or something.
True. See, in this case, you should be able to apply distributive property. There has to be something common between the two. And the numbers, if they're too big, distributive property really helps. I'll show you here. 2 power of 95 plus 2 power of 96. How will you do this? It's so hard, right? What is common between both? Who can tell me? 2 power of 96 is what? 2 power of 95 times 2 power of 1, right? So what is common between both? Lakshanya, you want
95.
what?
Uh,
95?
2.
2 power of 95.
2 power of 95, when I take it out, what comes here? I take out 2 power of 95, what comes here? 2 power of 95 times 1 is 2 power of 95. Copy down the plus. And then here as well, I took this out. So what remains? Yuvati. What remains, ma?
2 power 96.
Not really, ma.
Wait,
Yes, go
2
ahead.
power by 1.
2 power of 1 remains, yes. Yes, 2 power of 1 remains. So what happens? I will write it out as 2. 2 power of 1 is what? 2. Now, how do I add them together? It's so easy now. 2 power of 95 times 3, that's all. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, for some reason it's not charging. Why? Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see. Now let me ask you more. How about this? How about this? 5 power of 7 plus 5 power of 7 plus 5 power of 7. Can you use distributive property to write this quickly? Let me see who gets it. Use distributive property to write it as a power and a... Let's see. Use distributive property to write it in terms of 5 power of 7. Your answer should contain 5 power of 7 times what? 5 power of 7 times what?
Am I correct?
Samhita. Yes, Samhit, you got it, Samhit. Good job, Samhit. Neil, correct, ma. Akshara, I'm waiting. So I wanted to do that word problems. Your class flies. Lakshanya, correct, ma. Guys, you're all getting a hang of it now. Now, those of you who completed that, right? Why don't you go back to our original problem? I gave you an original problem. What was that original problem? I gave you this. I gave this. No. I gave you this. Okay, but I will change the problem to this. Now, tell me, write your answer in terms of 5 power. That means what? Your answer should contain 5 power. In your answer, it should have 5 power.
Did I get mine correct for like the first question?
I'll check, ma. Akshara correct. Yuvati, no.
Wait.
Okay, I'll explain.
Was this right?
Wait,
I'm waiting for. How come, Lakshanya, for the second one? See, how many terms are there, Lakshanya? How many terms are there? These are all terms.
Oops.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Anything separated by pluses and minuses are terms. Neil. Neil,
What?
was that answer for the second one? Second question?
Yeah.
How did you get a 3? This is a term, this is a term, this is a term, this is a term, this is a term. If you take 5 square outside, for everything you have to put something, right?
Yeah.
Is that right, your answer?
And
I
what did
don't
you
get
See,
it.
Arnav, I told you that my answer should contain 5 power.
Yeah, but I don't get it.
That is correct, Lakshanya, that is correct. But then you can combine them into 5 power, right? Your answer is correct. But then you can combine that into a single power of 5. Good job, Meera. Okay, guys. So here, this one, right? I take 5 power of 7 outside. So 5 power of 7 times what is 5 power of 7? 1. Then I copy down the plus. And 5 power of 7 times what is 5 power of 7? 1. Then I have a plus. Then 5 power of 7 times what is 5 power of 7? 1. Now this becomes 5 power of 7 times 3. Or I can write it out as 3 times 5 power of 7, which is my answer. The second one, I take, see, every term contains 5 power 2. That means it contains a 25. So I take that out as common. Now 5 square times what is 5 square? 1. Copy down the plus. Again 5 square times what is 5 square? 1. Again plus. 5 square times what is 5 square? 1. So like that I have this many ones here. You know, inside the parenthesis you can add all the pluses. So 5 square times 5 you have. Lakshanya, till this you are right. But after that they have the same base, right? You can add just the exponents. 5 cube is your answer. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's do one more maybe. We're going to do a lot of work. Okay, now 5 power of 4 is what square? That's an interesting question. 5 power of 4 is what square?
Didn't chat.
Yeah, mine chat.
Am I correct?
Priya's my answer right?
1 second, ma'am.
Is my answer right?
1 minute, ma'am.
Whoops, never mind. Don't look at my answer.
I'm going to stop with this, but I want to see. Ah, good job, Lakshanya. That is right, Lakshanya. You got a hang of it. Not really, Arnav. That is right.
That's why I said don't look at mine.
For your answer, some hit, that's not right. See, some hit 10 square is 100, right? 5 power of 4 is something else. 10 square is 100. Think about it. 10 square is 100.
Never
5
mind.
power of 4 is ends with a 5. Do you get it? There will be one page. Page number 79 is going to be tricky homework. Let me see whether you're able to read and do. Page number 79. I didn't go over it, but let me see. Let me see. Page number 79. I'm going to test it out on you. Okay. I'm checking your answer. Not really, ma. How did you get?
I have no idea how I really got it. Like I
Not
tried to
get
get like
it,
something like I thought like something like kind of like I knew that it has to be like greater than 20 square, but it's like lesser than 30 square, so it's somewhere in the 20s.
Not really. You cannot guess like that, Vati, 100%. Okay. Let me go ahead and explain, guys. 5
Into
over
by
4
2.
is what?
Started.
5, 5, 5. Now I want squares. If I
Mhm.
want squares, right? This is 5 power of 4 is 5, 5, 5, 5, right? If I want squares, I can combine this. I want squares means this can be written as 5 square. This can be written as another 5 square, correct? Correct, guys?
Yeah.
Now, see, this number is the same as this number. This is 25, this is 25. I can write the entire thing as 25 square. So this 25 goes here. Make sense? 9 square is 3 power of what? 9 square means what? 9 is what actually? 9 is what actually? 9 square is 9 times 9. Correct, guys? But 9 can be written as 3 times 3, 3 times 3. So 3 power of what?
4.
Good. 3 power of 4. Got it? Okay, we'll discuss this next week again. Okay, I will not give you homework on this. Okay, page number 71 to 79 is your homework. Page number 71 to 79. 79 is a hard page. Okay. Okay, guys, I will see you all next week. Have a wonderful week ahead. That was a lot of exponents today.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
All next.
Bye.
Have a question?
Bye.
Meera?
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
See you later.
Bye, guys.
Thank you. Bye.
Follow today? Oh, he's gone. Okay. Did you have a question, Meera?
No.
You did you have a question? Bye, Ma.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you. Rainbow is too cute. Mhm.